Did you know that over 70% of millionaires created in the last decade started with just a side hustle? That's right. The path to wealth is no longer just through traditional jobs. Ordinary people are turning their passions into profits and building empires from their living rooms. Welcome to the 5-Minute CashCraft, the channel that helps you unlock your financial potential, one smart move at a time. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 skills you need to earn money in 2024. Without ever stepping into a traditional 9-to-5 job. Imagine having the freedom to work on your own terms, earn more than you ever thought possible, and achieve true financial independence. Stick around, because we're about to show you exactly how to make that dream a reality. Let's face it, traditional jobs are becoming less secure. With economic shifts, layoffs, and the rise of automation, many people find themselves stuck in jobs they don't love, with limited income potential and little to no freedom. Sound familiar? But here's the good news. You don't have to settle. The digital age has opened up countless opportunities to earn money without being tied to a single employer or a fixed schedule. Today, we're going to explore 5 innovative ways to do just that. All right, let's dive into our list. First up, we have freelancing. Now, here's a great way to turn your skills into a steady income stream. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or even an admin pro, freelancing gives you the freedom to choose projects that excite you. Imagine setting your own hours, working from wherever you feel most comfortable, and building a portfolio that grows in value with every project. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn, and Freelancer are perfect places to start. And the best part? The more you work, the more you learn, and the more you earn. Next on our list is investing in stocks or cryptocurrency. This isn't just for Wall Street pros anymore. Anyone with an internet connection can start investing. While stocks have always been a popular choice, cryptocurrency is the new frontier for potentially massive returns. Of course, investing comes with risks, but with the right knowledge and strategy, it can be a powerful way to grow your wealth. Imagine making money while you sleep, simply by holding on to the right assets. Now let's talk about creating digital products. Whether it's an ebook, an online course, or software, digital products can be sold over and over again, generating passive income long after the initial work is done. With platforms like Teachable, Amazon Kindle, Shopify, and Etsy, anyone can create and sell digital products. The initial effort may be high, but the rewards can be life-changing. One successful product could bring in income for years to come. Fourth on our list is affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products and earn a commission on every sale made through your link. It's perfect for bloggers, YouTubers, or anyone with an online presence. Affiliate marketing is scalable, meaning the more traffic you generate, the more you can earn. Some affiliate marketers pull in thousands of dollars a month, all by recommending products they love. Plus, the beauty of affiliate marketing is that it's low risk. You don't need to create your own products, just share ones that already work. Last but certainly not least is online tutoring. If you have expertise in a subject, there's someone out there willing to pay for your knowledge. Whether it's academic tutoring, language lessons, or even music instruction, platforms like VIPKid, Tutor.com, and Italki make it easy to connect with students. Online tutoring not only pays well but also allows you to make a real impact in someone's life, all while working from the comfort of your home. If I had to pick the most effective method from this list, investing in stocks or cryptocurrency stands out for its potential to generate significant income, especially in today's fast-moving markets. Take, for example, the story of John Doe, who turned a small investment in Bitcoin into a 7-figure portfolio, or Jane Smith, who started with just $1,000 in the stock market and grew it into a full-time income. The possibilities are endless if you're willing to learn and take calculated risks. So, let's recap. The top 5 skills you need to earn money in 2024 are freelancing, investing in stocks or cryptocurrency, creating digital products, affiliate marketing, and online tutoring. Each of these methods offers unique opportunities to earn money without a traditional job, and with the right effort, anyone can make them work. Remember, the key to success is taking that first step and committing to learning and growing. Your financial future is in your hands. Now it's your turn. Which of these methods are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you're eager to learn more about building wealth, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.